Now let's consider that we want to eliminate the y first rather than the 2. If I look at my equations, I have a negative 3y, I have a positive y. What I want is to create opposite term. The opposite of negative 3y is 3y. So what I can multiply the second equation by to create this situation is 3. And when I do that, the goal is to create opposite terms involving y. So I'm going to, again, distribute the 3 through the entire equation. 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times y is 3y. And 3 times negative 4 is a negative 12. Realign, again, by setting up your equations one over the other, aligning your x terms, your y terms, your equal signs, and your numbers. And now I can add straight down. This time I get 8x, my y terms cancel, continue bringing down the equal sign in the right place, and 12 minus 12, well, in this case that actually cancels as well, but I can't leave my equation with nothing on the right hand side. So I bring down a 0. In order to solve for x, I still need to go through the process of dividing by 8. And 0 divided by 8 actually is 0. Take that value we just found, remember, bring it back into one of the original equations, and for me, I usually just go right to the top, and this time it's the 0 that I need to plug in for, so I take, the x I need to plug in for, I take the 0 and plug it in for x. 2 times 0 is 0, minus 3y equals 12. My last step now, so the 0 really isn't doing anything. I can kind of get rid of that. But don't lose, be very careful, this is where mistakes get made. Do not lose that negative sign in front of the 3y. So in order to get y alone, I need to divide both sides by negative 3. Be careful that you are always using opposite operations. Multiplication and division are opposites, addition and subtractions are opposites. 12 divided by negative 3 is a negative 4. So my solution, again, comes out to 0, negative 4, which is as it should be. It's the same system of equations. It's just showing you that it can be solved by canceling the x terms, or you can cancel the y terms and still solve. It just happens that you get the answers in the opposite order. So the first method shown, I solved for y first, and the second one I solved for x first. But they both produced the same solution.